It's the battle of two former EBL Division I rivals presented by RSG. The Leeds Force heading down to the Wise Arena to take on the Flyers for their first meeting in Bristol since their step up into the BBL at the beginning of the season. And the Flyers looking sharp early on. Alif Bland putting on the moves inside for 2 of his 12 in the night. Then moments later, and Bree Perrine would drive the lane for the tough finish in traffic. Then he'd bury the open 3 with the no-look pass from Greg Street. Flyers lead by 6 with 3.5 minutes to play in the second. Final minute now of the half as Simon Stewart comes out of nowhere for the block. Owen starts the break as Perrine finds Dwayne Ongulei for the layup in transition. Flyers extend the lead to 12 points at the end of the first half. And the lead would continue to grow in the third. Greg Street with his hand in the passing lane and turning defense into offense, finishing the two-handed jam on the break. Street would score 11 of a game-high 26 points in the third period. He'd also end with 14 boards as the Flyers lead 49-32 at the end of the third period. Into the fourth, and Doug McLaughlin-Williams would catch fire from long range. He'd knock down 3 straight threes to push the Flyers lead out to 22 points with 4 minutes to play in the game. Then Bristol would put on a show in the final 2. Ongulei picks off the steal and hits Perrine on the open floor, who punches home the one-handed slam. Perrine would end with 10 points and 3 assists. Then a minute later, it's Ongulei again. He hits Bland for the monster jam. And that would be all she wrote. Flyers walk away victorious 71-47. Bristol's largest win of the season to make it their 4th straight victory with just 7 games remaining in the regular season. And don't forget, the playoff battle heats up this Saturday night when the 7th place Flyers host 9th place Sheffield Sharks in a must-win game for Coach K's side in their race for a spot in the postseason. For Flyers TV, I'm Matt McCulloch saying so long, and we'll see you next time.
We have a bit of a history with Leeds, so I knew I had to step up my game today. And obviously, still having Matthias out, everyone needs to step up. And it wasn't just me. I mean, it was my teammates that were getting me the good looks at the basket and stuff, and I just put them away.
I noticed all the players are sporting some black ribbons.
Yeah, it's Alif's grandmother sadly passed away. I believe it was last night. So we all pulled together and helped Alif through today, and he had an amazing game as well. It's, given the circumstances. So credit to him, and obviously condolences to him as well.